Good evening. Welcome back to my channel Programming Guide by Bhargavi. So in this video I am going to explain you the important questions of DBMS BSc 4th Sem from Telangana University syllabus. You can follow me in my Telegram channel Bhargavi at CS, and you can follow my YouTube channel Programming Guide Bhargavi. So in this video I am explaining you these questions from the TU syllabus, and at the last I am going to explain you the last year question paper also. Now we will move to the first unit. Explain DBMS and its application. That means what is mean by database, what is mean by database system, and where you are using this database system you have to write. Explain database languages in detail. That is nothing but what we have to write. What is mean by DDL and what commands are there. DML, what commands are there. DCL, what commands are there. TCL, what commands are there. With one example only. Explain data storage and query processing. Explain database architecture. We have three types of architecture with the need diagrams you have to explain. Explain database users and the role of the DBA in the companies. Explain relational query languages. So TCL and DCL. So this database languages and relational query languages are different. So you must remember the differences between database languages and relational query languages. Explain keys and relational operations. All these questions are from Unit 1. Next, explain SQL commands. So in the previous Unit 1 also you have database languages in detail. Here also you have database commands in first question. Both questions are same. But in SQL you have to write the queries also. So for this example you have to write query. Right? Explain set operators and aggregate functions. Explain nested subqueries. Explain all types of joins. Inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join. Explain integrity constraints. So we have 5 types of constraints in this. Primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null. So all these you have to explain with one example. So this is the very most important questions and damn sure expected question. Explain procedures and functions with examples. So this question may be asked something like what are the differences between procedures and functions also. Explain triggers with the help of the examples. Next, Unit 3. What is the ER model? Explain in detail with examples. That means what is the use of ER diagrams, how to draw the ER diagrams, what is mean by entity, what is mean by attribute, what are the relations, constraints, everything in detail with neat diagrams you have to explain. Explain ER model design issues. While designing the ER model, what kind of problems you are facing, that we have to explain. Explain extended ER features and its notations. That means diagrams you have to explain. Explain normalization and normal forms. So you have to write the definition of normalization. Out of these 5 normalizations, 4 normalizations, they may ask any one of the normalization or any 2. So it depends upon the question paper who prepared. So 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, Boy Scout normal form. Out of these 4, anyone will come damn sure question. So very most important question, compulsory question. Explain normalization and its normal forms with a neat diagram, with a neat example you have to write. Explain decomposition using functional dependencies. So we have 2 properties for this decomposition. You have to explain that. Next, Unit 4. So this is the very most important and most questions are there in a Unit 4. So what is mean by transaction and what are ACID properties? As atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Explain serializability in transaction management. Explain atomicity, isolation, durability in transaction management. So here what is the difference between first question and this question? Here in this question just you define what is A, what is C, what is I, what is D with 2 to 3 lines of definition. But here in this question you have to explain each and every term in a transaction, how it will be implemented, right? Now if you prepare this question, you can write this very easily. Okay? Explain log based protocols in concurrency control technique. Explain timestamp based protocols. Explain multiple granularity. Explain deadlock handling transaction. So this year I am expecting the question deadlock and timestamp based protocol, and this one. Okay, and previous example explain 1NF 2NF, I think I am guessing, and this one from the third unit, and from this explain, so this is a damn sure question, this one, and explain set operators and aggregate functions. From this database architecture or DBMS and its application. So whatever the question they are giving, if you know or don't know, just try to attempt all the questions and whatever the things which are related to the DBMS, to the particular topic, so you have to write. So next we'll see the previous question paper. So this is a question paper of last year question paper. So answer any of the 4 following questions. So what questions are there? We'll see. Explain about database languages in detail. So already we discussed DCL, TCL, DML, DDL. Explain about relational query languages. We have 2 kinds in this. Tuple relation calculus, domain relation calculus. You have to write those 2. Explain about set functions and aggregate functions. Explain integrity constraints and triggers. Explain entity relationship design issues in detail. Explain Boy's Court normal form. Explain how the 3NF relaxes the constraint specified in the BCNF. Explain serializability in transaction management in detail. Explain the following: multiple granularity, timestamp based protocol. If here they are giving this, means for this 10 marks and for this 10 marks. So out of 8 questions you have to attempt 4 questions. Each question carries 20 marks, totally 80 marks question paper. Okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.